Afternoon student, here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. If you like my videos, you can share with maximum students and subscribe my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions for your semester and theory examination, extension 111 part 5 for the course title Rural Sociology in Educational Psychology. Today we are going to discuss three topics, that is the personality, teaching learning process and perception motivation. So let's discuss. So question number 51, the word personality comes from the dash dash root. So this question from your topic personality. So options are Latin, Greek, French, Portuguese. So what will be the correct answer? That is a Latin. So word personality comes from the Latin root. Then the question number 52, dash dash, which means the mask worn by players in theatre. Options are personality, B persona, C person, D none of these. So correct answer is what? Persona, B. Question number 53, dash dash is the quality of an individual's total behavior. So options are personality, leadership, behavior, intelligence. Correct answer is what? Personality. So it is a definition. It is the definition of personality. Then the next types of personality are following. There is a three types of personality we already learned in the personality topic. So here options are introvert, extrovert, ambivert, all the above. So correct answer is what? All the above. Okay, so these three are the types of personality. Then question number 55, a quite shy person who prefer to be alone than with being other people is type of personality. So you know very well types of personalities: introvert, extrovert, ambivert. So we are going to select correct option for this question. So A introvert, B extrovert, C ambivert, none of this. So correct answer is what? Introvert. Introvert type of the person, they are shy, they are quiet, they want to be live alone, they don't want to mix with the other person. Marathi we called as a antarmukh. Then question number 56, a person who is confident and who prefer being with other people, being is which type of personality? So this is the opposite of the introvert persons. So these persons are very confident and want to mix with the other people, want to share their feelings with other people. Okay, so here options are introvert, extrovert, ambivert, none of these. So correct answer is what? Extrovert. Then question number 57, this type of personality are partly or partially introvert and partially extrovert. So here options are introvert, extrovert, ambivert, none of these. Correct answer is what? Ambivert. Okay, so they have both the quality. Then the question number 58, dash dash heredity influence are those exerted through the group evaluation of genetic traits. So you know there is a factors who shaping the personality. Okay, so here is one of the heredity is the factor which is influence the particular personality. So there is a direct and indirect influences are there. So heredity influences are those exerted through the group evaluation of genetic traits. So it is a direct or indirect, partially or none of this. So correct answer is what here? It is the indirectly. Okay, then question number 59, heredity influences, dash heredity influences come from degree and emotional drive and mental alertness. So it is a direct, indirect, partially, none of this. So correct answer is what? Direct. So direct heredity influences came from degree and emotional and mental alertness. Okay, so then the next question from your topic number 16, that is the teaching learning process. Okay, so go through this all the details. Then question number 60 is dash dash is a directing the learning process by which or through his own activity becomes change in behavior. What we call this process, this learning process? Option are teaching, learning, learning situation, learning experience. So correct answer is what? Teaching. Okay, then the question number 61, dash dash is the process arranging situation that stimulate and guide the learning activity towards the goals that specify desired changes in the behavior of the learner. So this process is what we called, again it is a want to be change the behavior of the learner. So again answer is what? Teaching here. Okay, it is the definition of teaching. Then the question number 62, dash dash is the process by which a person changes his behavior through his own efforts and abilities. Okay, it's called as self activity. So it is a teaching, learning, learning situation, learning experience. Correct answer is what? Learning. Okay, so persons are going to be, or the students, they are going to be changed their behavior or their abilities through their self activity. Then question number 63, dash is the mental and physical reaction one make through seeing, hearing or doing the things to be learned. So what we call that particular thing? That is mental physical reactions. Okay, so teaching, learning, learning experience, learning situation. So correct answer is what here? Learning experience. Give by seeing, what will be, what our reaction is, by listening or hearing, what will be our reaction, when we are doing something, what will be our reaction. So all these are the learning experience. Then the question number 64, dash dash includes providing activities, materials and guidance needed by the learner. The extension worker should organize effective, that is a physical and mental action. What we call as this process? It is teaching, learning, learning experience or learning situation. So it's called as a learning situation. So by creating the situation, by the study material, different kind of the participatory activities, extension activities, extension worker wants to give the effective teaching to the or guidance to the learner. Okay, so it is a action, physical, mental action. Keep in mind, learning experience is what? It is the mental physical reaction, and learning situation is what? Physical mental action. Okay, so that is the thing is here. Then the question number 65, the good learning situation has the dash dash element. How many elements are there? It is a 6, 5, 7 or 4. So correct answer is what? 5. So there is a 5 learning situation elements are there. Okay, then the question number 66, elements of learning situation are following in sequence. You know that is 5 elements are there for teaching learning process, but you should keep in mind in a sequence. So first option is what? Farmer, extension worker, subject matter, teaching equipments, physical facilities. Second option is extension worker, subject matter, farmer, teaching equipments, physical facilities. C, subject matter, farmer, extension worker, teaching equipments, physical facilities. D, farmer, subject matter, extension worker, teaching equipments and physical facilities. Correct answer is what? Farmer. So farmer is the main here. It is on that all the other factors are or other elements are act on. Okay, so you should keep in mind farmer is the first element of learning situation or teaching learning process. Then question number 67, which element is the center of teaching learning process? So I already given answer in the previous question, that is a here what? Teacher, farmer, subject matter, teaching equipment. So correct answer is what? Farmer. Farmer is the center of this learning situation process or teaching learning process. Farmer is the center and all the other elements are act on that. Then the next question from the perception and motivation. Question number 68, dash dash is defined as the process by which an individual maintains contact with the environment. What we call that process? That is a motivation, perception, teaching, learning. Correct answer is what? Perception. It is a definition of perception. Then question number 69, dash dash is the process of initiating a conscious and purposeful action. So what we call this process? It is initiation, conscious and purposeful action. Options are motivation, perception, teaching, learning. So correct answer is what? Motivation here. Then the question number 70, the goal directed need satisfying behavior is called dash dash dash. A, perception, B, motivation, C, teaching and D, learning. So here correct answer is what? Motivation. Okay, so I took all the or cover the all the question from particular topic. Okay, and various questions are comes from whatever I take in this all the MCQ series. From before your midterm examination also I uploaded some videos, and after midterm also I uploaded some videos. So go through all the MCQs whatever I uploaded on my YouTube channel. I will share playlist link in the description box, so you should go through the details. It will be helpful to you for your examination, because the examination is on MCQ part pattern is there, and I took almost 120 question around all, cover all the topics. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.